My name is Brittany Broussard, and we pitched a project at the 24-Hour Citizen Project and raised $5,000. Our project was for the Umbrella Project, which is a usable bus station that will provide shelter for our riders, as well as would be easier to install and place throughout the city. Right now, our city has over 500 bus stops and only 35 actually have a shelter. The concept is to be an umbrella shape made out of metal or different material that can be used in different areas without having to be large or take up too much space.
Yeah, that's exactly what I want.
I'm Kate Durio, and I'm part of the team that pitched the Umbrella Project as part of the Civic Side 24-Hour Citizen Project. We actually got some really good news in that the mayor actually liked our idea enough that he gave his blessing for his staff to work on the project for us, which has been really great for us because it's provided a lot of buy-in and collaboration with not only LCG but also the Lafayette Transit System. So the idea was that we often don't have enough right-of-way or space to put in a full bus shelter, and also it's kind of cost prohibitive. It's about $10,000 per bus shelter. So we wanted to find something in more of the max $3,500 range that still provided some cover from the elements and even seating and a trash receptacle, as well as important map and routing information for the bus stop. And so we have well over 500 bus stops around Lafayette, and so our goal would be to have some kind of bus stop shelter at every bus stop. So we started to look at the conditions of existing bus stops, and so a lot of them were just a sign on a utility pole. And so we wondered if that pole could be the center of providing kind of an umbrella shape of structure that goes around the pole to provide protection from the elements. Then we started working with LCG about what kind of material that would need to be, what kind of wind resistance it would need to have, and the different kind of applications that we could use it in and around town. We're now on a team with LCG, and we have the transportation department working with us. And so we've been meeting regularly to figure out kind of what it looks like and enough to go to a vendor. So we had a meeting with Begno Manufacturing about how to build that prototype, and we looked at a bunch of different material samples and kind of got a tour of their facility to kind of understand what their capabilities are. And then we learned from Begno that we needed to have a structural engineering drawings as kind of the next step for Begno to kind of develop that prototype.